Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can free and save Lana from Lena, of course. So to do that, you are going to go to the server section and you're going to go to the Halloween event. I'm not going to do a full tutorial on that, but you're going to basically do 3 of the chapters. If you want a more in-depth tutorial or you want somebody to carry you, I can do that because I've been here so many times that I know. A lot of people are cosplaying as Lana, and you're just going to finish all chapters. When you're back in the game, you'll see Lana back in the nail chair, the mani pedi chair, and you would have freed her. And you also get a reward from freeing Lana. Let me just go to the free play one so I can show you. So here you'll get the reward, and as you can see, Lana is back. If you didn't free Lana yet, you'll still get Lena in the nail salon, and you'll also get these for the rewards, these 4 items. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.